Hey guys, Chris here. As you can see, we're at McAfee Knob and there's quite a view today. Came up here on my through hike. It was really foggy and raining, so I came back up here today to get a little look around and take a few shots for you guys. So the trail is over that way. It comes up and the first thing you can see is down in the valley. Come around real slow. And there's the iconic spot where people take a picture of. It looks like you're sitting over nothing. So we'll get that shot for you right there about. We'll walk over this way. Going this way, you're going north on the Appalachian Trail, going towards a place called Tinker Cliffs, which also has an amazing view. Might try to hit that today too. This is the view you get from sitting where you take the awesome picture. And not quite as clear today as I've seen some people's pictures, but it's a lot more clear than when I took my picture on the Appalachian Trail a few months ago. See down the valley over there. Walk over just a little bit more. If you're in Southwest Virginia, interested in a day hike, it's about 4.3 miles from the parking lot on 311. Their website says it takes about 4 hours. It took me about an hour and a half hiking at a regular pace. So anybody could do this as a day hike. Come up, have lunch up here at the knob, get a nice picture, then walk back down to the parking lot. You can keep walking here along the edge. And get a great view of the valley down there. It's also super uncommon to not see anybody up here. Saw about 10 people that were coming back down. Guess they were getting the sunrise. We're here, we look to the east as we walk along the cliffs. Just get some amazing views up here. Left my pack back at the picture spot, so I'll have to turn around in a minute. Don't want anyone to steal my Snickers. There are a ton of squirrels up here today. Kind of a little bit quieter one. Great view. Alright guys, it's lunchtime. Made it over to Tinker Cliffs. That 5 miles between McAfee Knob and Tinker Cliffs going northbound was a little bit more strenuous than I remembered it. But it was a good hike. And we're going to do a little walk around at Tinker Cliffs. Last time I was here, there was rain pelting me in the face. Couldn't see anything. All I was worried about was getting off these cliffs and away from the storm. Now, as you can see, down the valley, walk along the cliffs. Get a little view. Still really nice out today. Probably about 65 degrees. And there's another hiker up here, so I'm going to stop the video, but we'll get some more. A little bit more of the view of the cliffs. All kinds of squirrels today, making lots of noise. Walk along, see if we can see anything. A few more steps. Go back to the backpack. Take a long walk back to the truck. Tinker Cliffs View.